In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable IMAP in Gmail so you can use your email with apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, or the Mail app on your phone. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're not very technical. First, you'll want to open Gmail. The easiest way is to go to your web browser and visit the Gmail website, then sign in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the account where you want to enable IMAP, especially if you manage more than one Gmail address. Once you're signed in, you should see your inbox with your usual emails and folders. Next, you'll need to open the settings area inside Gmail. Look toward the top right corner of the Gmail page for the small gear icon. This icon opens the settings menu. Click on the gear and a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says something like See All Settings or Settings. Go ahead and click that to open the full settings page. You should now see several tabs across the top of the screen, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and others. From here, you're going to go to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP section. Along the top of the settings page, click on the tab labeled Forwarding and Pop IMAP. This is where Gmail lets you control how your email is accessed by other programs. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct tab. You'll know you're in the right place if you see headings related to forwarding, POP download, and IMAP access. Now, find the IMAP section on this page. It's usually near the bottom under a heading that says IMAP access. This section controls whether other email clients can connect to your Gmail account using the IMAP protocol. IMAP is useful because it keeps your emails synced across devices. If you read or delete a message in one place, it updates everywhere else. Under IMAP access, look for the option that allows you to enable IMAP. You'll see choices like Enable IMAP and Disable IMAP. Select Enable IMAP. If IMAP was already enabled, you can simply confirm that it's turned on and you're good to go. If there are additional settings such as folder size limits or how folders are handled, you can usually leave those at their default values unless you have a specific reason to change them. Once you've enabled IMAP, it's very important to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Save Changes button. Click this button to apply everything you've just set up. If you skip this step, IMAP will not actually be enabled even if you selected it earlier. After saving, Gmail will refresh and you'll be taken back to your inbox or the settings view with your changes applied. At this point, IMAP is turned on for your Gmail account. You can now go to your preferred email app on your computer or mobile device and add your Gmail account there using IMAP settings. Your emails, folders, and changes should stay in sync across all your devices. That's all it takes to enable IMAP in Gmail. Open Gmail, go into settings, head to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, enable IMAP, and save your changes.